This is the CZ527. It is made in the Czech Republic. It is a 1 in 9 twist. 223 Remington is the caliber. Now this rifle, I custom did the paint myself because I like to winter camo my gear. Right out of the box, this thing is deadly accurate. Like 100 yards or less with these iron sights, and it is bang on. Ooh, broke it. Swinging like a pendulum now. Those full metal jackets punch through this AR 500 plate. Like, wow. Whew. That is a lot of force and energy. A big passion of mine is customizing kit for specific seasons. So we're in the time of year when the forests look really gray. So this alpha green Patagonia level 5 jacket and pants works really well. Now I've also customized some gaiters, knee pads, backpack, also the rifle, and my hatchet and dump pouch and knife. So they're all hit with flat white spray paint. In the wintertime, flat white spray paint works really well. Now last winter when I was out scouting, I really utilized the Comb Blizzard smock and pants from Arctis. This year I'm looking to try something a little bit different. I want to really test out the level 5 US military Patagonia alpha green jacket and pants with mixing it up with my camo customizations. So obviously with my belt. Now I was thinking, what am I going to do for, carrying extra ammo? I don't have extra magazines for this CZ. I haven't picked up any. They're sometimes hard to find, and they're like 80 bucks a piece. So I'm like, well, maybe I'll wait. But what has actually worked really well is this dump pouch, where I normally carry my canteen. So I'm able to carry loose ammo in here, and it folds up nice with this Velcro and actually seals off nice and easy. And the nice thing about having the ammo in here, it's really accessible, and because it rolls up and snugs up on itself, the ammo is not rattling around, which is really super important. Right now at the moment, I don't have any kit in my backpack because everything is just a test today. I wanted to come out here on the backside of the property. I wanted to see how my camo paint job and with the alpha green, how it kind of blends into my woodlands. And also kind of, this is the first time that I'm kind of actively using my CZ527. Now it sits very comfortably. Right now the backpack is empty. I don't have any kit in there, but everything seems to be carrying really well. And this is important because I just got myself a wolf tag and a coyote tag, and they are actually quite cheap here in Ontario. I think it was like just $10.38 for a wolf tag. And actually you can get 2 tags. So I thought when I'm out and about on the trails, sometimes as it gets colder, I don't want to bring the dogs along. Their paws start building up with snow and ice, and it's difficult for them when I'm out. And if I happen to see a wolf or something, then hey, all bets are off. Now currently at the moment, our snowfall is really minimal levels. But what happens lots of times in the wintertime is the branches build up with snow. So this Patagonia jacket is equipped with a hood that you can pull over your head. Now, to keep that hood situated where you can still want to see normally, you can take it and simply tuck that in behind your toque. So that still gives you good visibility, and you're able to move your head around and see. And if any snow falls down, it's not going to end up in your neck. So this is just a little trick that you can do with your hood and your toque. This is really a lightweight setup. So in the pack, I would normally carry, just basic essential kit. There wouldn't be a whole bunch of items in there. It'll be basically to keep it as light as possible, because I'm going to be using this setup with my backcountry skis. Want to be able to cover lots of terrain. Now if I'm carrying lots of extra weight, I'm going to be burning a lot more calories. So I'm really trying to, because of cold weather conditions, really conserve my energy and how many calories I'm burning and things like that. So overall, I think this setup is going to work not too bad. So it's really important to get out there, test your gear, test your kit, and especially if you're going to be changing firearms like I am. I really love the bolt action on this CZ527. It is so smooth, so reliable, and it just functions flawlessly. It ejects the casing really nice, racks around just sweet, and very nice, easy, detachable magazine that locks in place, and it sits really nice in there. So I think overall this rifle is going to work out really good in case I spot a wolf. One of my reasons for choosing this rifle is, basically obviously for the caliber. In Ontario, you can't hunt wolves with a caliber larger than .275. So a .223 will work just excellent. It is a very fast bullet and should be really effective. Now this tag also includes coyotes. But my main goal is, is for a wolf.